give you a better view. We have rigged up a different way of viewing. Hopefully that's much better so you can see everything. I always check them out. Sometimes you get some bearings that don't feel too good. Nice and smooth. Mostly metal chips. Play. Same thing with the crank. Feels real good. Pretty smooth. Well, you want to get really crazy about your cranks, you can put it in a fixture, check your run out, make sure each end is lined up properly and nothing's. I don't get that far into it. I'll roll it around and see how she feels. Back side to side blade. Make sure that bearing feels nice and smooth. I got one time, it was all gritty. It's got some cosmoline on it, so we'll do that quick bath before we put it in. A little bit of grit down in there, that we want to get everything nice and clean before we start putting any parts into this. So we're going to take this out into the shop, give it a quick bath. We'll be right back. Okay. Back to some really clean cases. We'll use the gloves to get a little dirt on yet. And we're going to get into it. So we want to put these crank bearings in. We want to put them in nice and square. So we're going to do that using that same case splitter tool that we use to pull the crank out. So basically, to take this tool, we're going to find something that's going to sit on the outside rim of this push on. You got our bearing pusher. We're going to set that on there. You want to have those even if you can. Get these all run down the front here there easy. There. That. And then we'll push our bearing. Nice and smooth. Hold it a little bit, get a little more leverage on it. A magnetic drain plug piece. Okay, now when you feel it's good and solid, you stop. Don't keep going, it'll just kind of stop. Don't keep going. Move on. Inspect our bearing. Sure rolls nice. Looks good. Square. Everything looks good there. Set that one side. We'll get the crank bearing on the other side. This one takes a little bit more work because we don't have any threaded bolts. So we have to take our tool and put the tool through this way, and then we put nuts on the back side and nuts on the front side. We're going to take all these nuts off. We're going to get some more nuts. And put it all together. Show you how that works. So we're going to set up our tool, push this side and put our spacer. Notice how that fits right to the outside, all the way to the outside of that bearing, so that that pushes on the exterior of the cage, not anywhere else. It's very important. Set this up. It's going to get a little tricky because we got to go all the way through, like I said. Like a little bit. There it is. Go a little farther. much crown in the case by there. Nice and seated. There we have bearings, we're gonna take our tool off, and that's the bearing part.